Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are talking about our organism of the week, the polar bear, or Ursus maritimus. Before we begin today's video, however, if you love polar bears, give this video a thumbs up. And now, on with the video. Polar bears are adapted to life on the sea ice. It is literally their habitat, as well as where they hunt. Among their adaptations, polar bears' fur reflects white light, so our eyes see it as white. They have 2 layers of hair that help to insulate them against the cold, and on top of having that white fur, the individual hairs are hollow, which allows the sunlight to reach their skin. The skin is black, which allows them to absorb heat from the sun. It's like when we wear black clothes on a sunny day, same thing. The white fur serves another purpose, and that is camouflage. As you can see in the picture behind me, having that white fur would be a bonus. They also have a layer of blubber underneath that skin that helps to give them further insulation against the cold. They are a marine mammal, and that being said, they live out on the sea ice on top of the Arctic Ocean. But they may come inland during the summer. The bears will seek out the sea ice come autumn. These bears can move at top speeds of 25 miles per hour on land and 6 miles per hour in the water. And they have been found 100 miles out in the ocean as they move to the ice. Polar bears do not hold territories. Instead, they have home ranges which they don't defend, and this allows them to have several overlapping home ranges with other bears. Like many predators, not every hunt is successful. Polar bears will eat the skin and fat first, and then they will eat the meat from their primary food source. The bear's primary food source is seal, but they will scavenge on whale carcasses, take young walruses, reindeer, rodents, seabirds, eggs, fish, vegetation, and yes, even human garbage. It is the seal that helps the bear put on weight. Polar bears need 4.4 pounds of fat each day to have the energy to survive. Polar bears are the largest of the land carnivores. Males can weigh up to 1,700 pounds, and they can reach 9.8 feet in length and stand at 9.8 feet. Females are smaller than the males. Females are smaller than the males. They tip the scale at 551 pounds. They get to be 8.2 feet long and stand 8.2 feet tall. Their paws are 12 inches in diameter. These bears follow the sea ice. When the sea ice melts, the bears retreat, and when the ocean freezes again, they seek out the ice. Only pregnant females will make a den in the autumn, either in a snowbank or within the earth. Females who aren't pregnant and males continue to roam the sea ice. During hibernation, the females give birth to their cubs. They have to pack on extra weight, of course, to survive hibernation, since they won't be eating while they sleep. It's during this hibernation that the sows, the female bears, give birth to 1 to 3 young. However, 2/3 of all females will give birth to twins. Females will have on average 5 litters of cubs in their lifetime, and that's a life that can last 25 to 30 years in the wild, but most bears will not see the age of 25 years. Sadly, climate change is affecting the sea ice, and thus it's affecting the polar bears. Scientists believe that there are only 22,000 to 31,000 bears left in the wild. In 2015, the polar bear was considered to be vulnerable to extinction. If the sea ice retreats further north, we may see polar bears facing population decreases. Since polar bears are identified as a marine mammal, which we talked about earlier, they are also protected by the Marine Mammal Act, and you can read more about that here. Somewhere over there. Thanks for sticking around for this video. If you made it this far, why not subscribe for more videos? The next Organism of the Week video is the sea lion. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.